Flat roof membranes, especially PVC and thermoplastic single-ply options, are game changers for commercial and big projects like malls and airports, saving tons of cash while lasting decades. So here's the deal with these flat roof membranes. First off, always pick a membrane that comes with a solid 25-year guarantee because you want something that sticks around without drama. Make sure it's fire resistant and UV resistant, since roofs take a beating from the sun and weather, you know? When installing, the design is everything. Whether you go for mechanical fasteners or fully adhered systems can make a big difference in cost and durability. If you're dealing with chemicals or pollution around your building, choose a membrane that's chemical resistant to keep things intact. Don't forget to check if the material is eco-friendly. It's not just better for the planet, but often means fewer headaches during disposal or replacement. For huge commercial roofs, weighing mechanical versus adhered systems is key. Both have their perks, but can affect your budget and lifespan differently. Work with reputable companies who know their stuff, because cheap materials or sloppy installations just lead to leaks and expensive repairs later. Lastly, remember that maintenance matters. Even the best membranes need regular checks to catch any wear before it turns into a disaster. One of the biggest mistakes people make with flat roof membranes is skipping the proper design phase, which leads to poor fit and leaks. Fix this by hiring pros who specialize in commercial roofing design. Another common issue is choosing membranes without checking their resistance to fire, UV rays, or chemicals, causing premature damage. Always verify those specs before buying. A third mistake is ignoring maintenance. People think these roofs are set and forget, but failing to inspect them regularly can turn minor problems into costly repairs. Schedule regular roof checkups to avoid this. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with trusted local contractors who specialize in flat roof installations and repairs, making sure you get reliable pros without the hassle. Contractors also benefit by finding steady work through the platform, helping them grow their business while delivering quality service.